Ever wondered how to properly prune your fruit trees? Welcome to a world where the mysteries of fruit tree pruning are unraveled. This process is vital for the health and productivity of your trees. Understanding the right way to prune is crucial for your fruit trees to flourish. Why, you may ask, should one bother with pruning? It's simple, really. Pruning ensures enhanced fruit quality, keeps your tree from becoming too large, and helps prevent disease. It's all about maintaining balance and health. Pruning, in essence, paves the way for a healthier, more productive tree. Timing is everything in pruning, but when exactly is the best time to prune? The golden rule is to prune late winter or early spring. This is before new growth starts, but crucially, when the tree is not in a dormant state. So remember, late winter or early spring is your pruning window. Now that you know the why and when, let's tackle the how. Pruning is an art that requires a few essential tools: a good pair of sharp pruning shears, loppers for larger branches, and a pruning saw for the truly thick limbs. Start by removing any dead or diseased branches, making your cuts at a slight angle just above a bud or branch. This encourages new growth in the right direction. Next, remove any branches that cross or rub against each other. Your goal is to create an open canopy for sunlight and air circulation. Lastly, trim back overly vigorous branches to maintain the tree's shape and balance. And there you have it, the proper way to prune your fruit trees. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Pruning your fruit trees is crucial for their health and productivity. The optimal time to prune is late winter or early spring, just before new growth starts but after the worst cold has passed. As for the technique, remember to make clean cuts, remove any dead or diseased branches, and always aim for a balanced tree structure. Remember, correct pruning is key for a healthy, fruitful tree. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.